If your river suddenly starts flowing the other way, you might think the world's gone bonkers. It's a sight that can leave anyone baffled, staring in disbelief at the water moving in the opposite direction. But before you start questioning reality, let's dive into the fascinating reasons behind this phenomenon. There's an interesting explanation rooted in science and natural events. It's not just a random occurrence. There are specific factors that can cause a river to reverse its flow. So, why do rivers sometimes flow backward? It's not magic, it's science. One major cause is earthquakes. When the ground shakes violently, it can alter the landscape dramatically. The seismic activity can shift the riverbed, creating new paths for the water to follow. This can result in the river flowing in the opposite direction, at least temporarily, until it finds a new equilibrium. Another fascinating reason is a phenomenon called tidal bores. This natural event occurs in certain rivers and estuaries around the world. Tidal bores happen when the incoming tide from the ocean is so powerful that it pushes the river's water upstream. This can create a dramatic and sometimes dangerous reversal of the river's flow. The Amazon River in Brazil is home to one of the most famous tidal bores, known as the Pororoca. This event attracts surfers and thrill seekers from around the globe. Imagine waves as tall as a house moving against the river's current. It's a spectacular sight, but also a reminder of the immense power of nature. Flooding is another factor that can cause a river to flow backward. When a river overflows its banks due to heavy rain or a storm surge, it can carve out new channels. These new channels might lead the water to flow upstream, especially if the original path is blocked or overwhelmed by the sheer volume of water. Human activities, like damming and construction, can also mess with a river's flow. When we alter the natural course of a river, we can inadvertently cause it to flow in unexpected ways. Building a dam, for instance, creates a reservoir that forces water to back up. This can change the direction of the river's flow, sometimes causing it to move upstream. And let's not forget the Mississippi River. This mighty river has a history of flowing backward under extraordinary circumstances. In 1812, a series of powerful earthquakes caused part of the Mississippi River to flow backward for several hours. It was a dramatic and rare event that left a lasting mark on history. So next time you see a river going the wrong way, don't be too surprised. There are many natural and human-induced reasons why this can happen. Whether it's the immense power of nature or the unintended consequences of human intervention, there's always a fascinating story behind it. Each instance of a river flowing backward is a unique tale of the forces at play. Remember, science is everywhere, even in the things that seem impossible. The world around us is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered and understood. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and who knows what other mysteries you'll uncover. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool science facts. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world.